Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did go ahead and use the Profusion Moonstone palette again. Sorry that my lights reflect off of it, but it's plastic, so yeah, I can't help it. Oh, I got something all over my fingernails. What? So yesterday I did go ahead and redo my nails. I have little bitty short nails now, and I actually kind of like them. I got them from Walmart. They're the Kiss brand, but yeah, I think they're super cute. I was talking to my husband last night and I told him if I keep getting this style, then I'll just take nail polish and like paint the white a different color each time. Yeah, anyways, I'm ridiculous. Today I don't really have a whole lot to chit chat about. My daughter is like 2 feet away from me like normal, so I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. What do you think? Do you think you're gonna try this out? I think it's super pretty. It's giving me a little bit of like fall vibes. I don't know, I like it. So on my lips today, I'm using the NYX lip pencil in Nutmeg and the NYX satin lipstick in the shade So Dramatic. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.